All right, let's get this thing loaded. Quiet running car. This thing's practically ready for the street. So this gentleman here is Daryl. He's sold us this fine automobile, and he's the man with the plan for getting this on the trailer.
Daryl is professional. Don't ever try this at home.
It's pulling the whole truck.
Put it in four-wheel drive. I know it sounds crazy, but it'll keep your front wheels from rolling.
It's looking good. You ready for this?
Ready to rumble?
I am ready.
Monday Night Raw. Oh, it's Tuesday.
You're gonna get a copyright strike for saying that.
Just say something.
All right. Hey, Justin and Leon here, FNK Classic Cars.
Word.
Word.
Up, down, whatever.
How you doing?
Horrible. How you been?
Man, horrible. Well,
Yeah.
you know, I'm all right. I'm
just
living the dream.
Yeah.
Hey, this Swamp Thing here.
Well, what's left of her? We're going to put some brake fluid in it, see if we can get the brakes to pump up, which I'm sure they're not going to. And we jury rigged a piece of hose on here, so I think we're going to try to put a can in, see if we can get it to keep running off a fuel can.
All right.
Our bright orange gas tank. This is for short trips, maybe go across town.
What's it hold, a gallon? It's, you know, this car probably gets 12 miles to the gallon, so there's a 12-mile trip. I mean, you know, that's good enough for us around the block.
And you know,
at least.
something's going to fall off by then anyway.
Right.
And the interior is so gross, you're really not going to want to drive it 12 miles anyhow. So, all right, so I got the master cylinder lid off. For all you guys at home, it unscrews.
All right, let me grab this camera thing here and show you a close-up of what's happening.
Yeah, why don't you do something? You gonna come over here? Or?
Oh yeah.
Oh great.
Hold your shorts on. So this is today's workshop view.
Bird's eye view.
Yeah.
Yes,
Look,
if
there's
you need
even
a,
another one hiding in the shadows over there.
yeah.
All right, down to business.
There's two more Tri-5s here that aren't on camera.
Yeah, one in the front, one in the back.
Anyway, we're gonna put juice in here. It's not gin, just juice.
All right, fill her up.
We are. Duh. There we go. We're full. Full of brake fluid. I'm gonna put this back on top. And then.
That nut was really hard to bust too, let me tell you.
Yes, it was. The hardest nuts I've ever busted. Anyway, now we got it loose where I can screw it without, you know.
You got some juice coming out of it.
That's okay. As Mr. Amel would say back in the day, everything I do to this car turns to turds. That's a quote. Sorry, Mr. Amel, if you're listening.
Old neighbor of yours?
Yes.
All right.
What are we doing again? I'm going to push the brake
there.
pedal.
Yeah.
I'm not getting in there.
Oh,
This
yeah?
thing is extremely gross inside.
It's icky.
Oh, yeah. Icky, sticky icky.
How's it feel?
Like it goes to the floor pretty good.
You getting any pressure?
Well, I think I'm leaking.
Yeah.
Here, listen.
All right, I'm listening. Shh. All right, I'm gonna look underneath.
I think I'm leaking back in the back.
Nope, I see it.
Right rear? Sounds like right rear.
Yeah, something, well, it's coming off the rear differential.
All right. So.
That's where it is.
Well, we'll revisit that.
This car has an idea.
At least it's moving fluid,
The light bulb's on.
you know.
Yeah,
That's a good thing.
master cylinder's got to be at least halfway
Master and
decent.
cylinder. We got an access point here. Can you fix it through that hole, or we need to make the hole
I
bigger?
could probably reach through there. Actually, if you could cut the hole in this area
This
right
general
here,
area.
I could probably get to it a little bit easier.
This genital area. I mean, general area. All right. Well, brakes didn't work out.
That's all right.
That's the brakes. You know, that's what they say.
That's right.
So.
Now what? We're
We're gonna hook up my gas can. We got to get a battery. We need all kinds of shit, actually.
all right.
We might as well film all this so we
Yeah,
get an
wow.
idea of why we're so retarded. Hold still. I'll go get you a towel. What? All right.
Keep in mind, there's actually nowhere to hook the battery. It's just kind of
laying in the outer space here.
floating around.
Floater. It's a floater in the gene pool of life. All right, hold this one.
All right, here we go.
You got it?
I got it.
And I'm pulling out.
Take your hose out of the hole.
I'm trying not to squirt it all over you, but it's not going to work out. You got the...
What do you want me to do? Let me get you a towel.
There. Oops, still spilled a little, but that's okay.
We're going to go
in through the hole here. Look, I got a little thingy here. Alright, we're in the can.
Alright, I got the power plug.
You got it?
I wonder if we can pinch off the rear brake line.
We probably can at some point.
Yeah.
Let's see if it'll run off a can.
Pinch it off.
Pinch it off. Let me pinch one off.
This is one of our finer videos, everybody.
Oh, it's got a little draw on it. Alright, so...
You want me to hook this up?
Yeah, that'd be great. Then you can probe the wire and I'll put a little gas in it and we'll see if we got anything other than nothing.
Well, I mean, she ran the other day, so...
Well, it'll run again. I'm just saying I want to suck gas out of the tank.
Alright.
See if we got crankage, which we probably don't. We're probably going to have to beat on the starter. Why wouldn't we? What?
Purple, right?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Now. Yeah.
What happened to my... Oh, I got a bad connection. This must be loose.
Well, you wonder if that's what was going on before when we were beating the shit out of the starter.
Probably.
For no reason.
Yeah, probably.
No, we still need to beat the shit out of the starter.
Yeah, alright, you got a...
Beater. That's a good time. Alright, let's see.
Why do you get the starter?
Well, I'm just see if it's going to crank.
Alright, time to light it on fire.
What we got going on here? Have I told you I don't like this car? Let's see. So we got the charger hooked up now. See if you got...
Oh yeah, now we got 13 and a half. And 11 and a half.
Try your button on there.
And then when you're ready.
Alright. Almost.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah. This is a good time. Betsy needs a starter, apparently.
Apparently.
Well, did I just squirt you with
Yeah,
gas?
you just squirted me.
Sorry. It was funny at the time. All right, push the button. All right, hold on. Oh, we got gas up at the filter. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
All right,
You
do
think it's
that
gonna
again.
actually start or might have to hit the starter again?
I don't know. It's sucking gas out of the tank.
Still pretty dry. Got it. Might need to adjust the idle though. All kinds of fun stuff came out.
Yeah, all right, hit the button.
Okay.
Hold on.
Ah, you keep squirting me.
You're fine, walk it off.
Man. I'm going to rate this video hard.
All right, stop. I just gotta let it warm up. Yeah, I know. All you hear is a fan belt squeaking and the water pump bearings or something are bad. Something's making noise.
You run out of gas?
Nah, but I think it just needs to warm up.
Yeah, right.
Because the choke's open. It ain't been stored in 75 years, so.
Oh, look at that.
It's just going to take a minute to warm up. Go ahead and hit your ass again. Hit your ass again. Do it. if you saw this or not. It still has, and it's a metal rod, it still has the kickdown hooked up for the trans.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Is it smoking like a freight train?
That's not smoking at all.
All right, I'm going to turn the idle up because the idle's way too low. Even though it's cold, it's like idling at 400 RPMs when you let off the throttle. Damn, that thing really don't want to screw very good. I might need a pair of pliers. Well, actually, let's do this. Put a little bit of peanut butter blaster on it. That'll help free up the screw. It is screwing, but man, it's tight. I guess this one hadn't been screwed in a while. Whoa.
There's a lot of innuendo in this one.
Yeah, I just noticed that. Let's see if that's enough, because if we go too far, and then it'll be idling at 27,000 RPMs. Which nothing's wrong with that. Small block Chevy, it'll idle at 27,000 easy.
Yeah. So the microphones died.
Alright, and they might have been dead to start with. So if you don't hear anything, that's why.
Right. So it might have been a silent video until now.
As you can see, I'm pouring transmission fluid somewhere into the abyss. I don't know if it's actually going in the trans or not, but who cares? Let's see if we got anything at all on the sticky. We're on the stick, so
All right.
possibly should move now.
Let's see what happens.
Now if it moves though, I'm probably gonna run you over.
Well, let me get it out of the way.
Yeah, why don't you? It's a good idea.
Oh, I got to fire it back up.
You think? It's
Yeah.
not gonna move with it off. Jimmy's a crack whore and I don't care.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can we crack
wait a second, I haven't even plugged in the charger yet.
Well, what are you waiting on?
Oh my lord. Christmas. Hold your drawers on, Jimmy. Alright.
Hey, ready?
Wait a second. Let me get closer to the car. There you go.
Alright.
Do her. Do her real good. Alright, starting right up. I hear it running now. There we are. Beat it. Starts up now.
There. In case you missed it earlier, it's running on its own. Of course, you saw the can in there, but it's all right.
Oh, never mind.
All right. Get in it, Captain. Let's see what happens.
Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch. Probably copyright on that. Dude, man, why is it on fire now? Should it be on fire?
Look at that.
Alright, well, definitely have no brakes.
Well, you know. But it moved. That's amazing.
Not stopping before it's enough.
It's got a lot of smoke now.
We gotta see that big guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing is smooth. All you hear is a ting 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 on the belt.
Give it a little gas.
Huh?
Give it some gas again. Yes, sir.
Got the fart can single exhaust on it. That thing is nice.
She's a runner.
Drove all the way to here.
Yeah. Well, I think we ought to pinch a line off.
Pinch one off.
Yeah. Let me crawl under it now and see if we can get some brakes.
Let's pinch it off.
So the brake line between the differential and the passenger rear wheel is where the leak is. I snapped it off, tried to fold it over and squish it shut, but it just kept breaking. The line on the other side of the junction block is good, so we hit it with some PB Blast. We'll come back at it, see if we can get it off and maybe put a plug in it.
Yeah, if we can get it off, put a plug in it, we'll have 3 brakes.
Yeah.
At least moving around. So at least it runs.
Yeah.
That's a plus.
So there she is. Swamp Thing.
Yeah.
And Frankenstein over there.
2 running piles.
Yep. Well,
Ready.
thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
We had to do a little up close and personal outro here because the microphones are dead. So
Thank you all for watching, and please
right.
subscribe.
There's Leon.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
I'm
Do
Justin.
that.
We'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.
All right, say goodbye, Leon.
Goodbye, Leon.
All right, bye.